So you've seen the HGTV shows. You know the ones, buy an ugly house, swing a hammer a few times, throw in some subway tiles, and boom, instant millionaire. Easy, right? But hold up, this is 2025. Interest rates are different, the market is shifting, and those instant profits might just be instant headaches. Today, we're digging deep into the truth about real estate flipping. Is it still profitable, or is it the financial version of trying to flip a pancake without a spatula? Messy, smoky, and slightly embarrassing. If you've ever thought about flipping houses, this video could save you thousands of dollars, or at least stop you from accidentally buying a home with a raccoon roommate in the attic. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly whether flipping is worth it in 2025 or if you should run faster than a contractor avoiding your phone calls. What is flipping really? Flipping isn't just buying a house, painting the walls agreeable gray, and selling it for double. It's buying under market value, adding real improvements, managing a timeline tighter than your jeans after taco night, and then selling before holding costs eat up your profit. In 2025, margins are thinner, materials are pricier, and buyers are pickier. Translation, it's not a hobby. It's a full contact sport. The cost people forget. Everyone focuses on the purchase price, but here's the horror movie nobody talks about. Holding costs, mortgage, taxes, utilities, insurance. Contractors, the ones who disappear faster than your motivation at the gym. Permits, because the city won't let you just knock down walls because it feels open concept. The surprise problem, mold, plumbing, termites, or the fact that the house is actually leaning like the Tower of Pisa. If your flip budget doesn't have at least 20% wiggle room, you're not flipping, you're gambling. Is flipping still profitable in 2025? All right, let's get to the money question. Can you still profit flipping houses in 2025? The answer, yes, but not like it used to be. In hot markets like Austin, Tampa, and Nashville, flips are happening, but profits are smaller. Instead of $80K profit per house, many investors are seeing $20 to $30K, and that's only if they manage everything right. Meanwhile, in slower markets, some flippers are actually losing money. The golden era of flipping isn't dead, but now it's more like bronze with some scratches. Who should flip? Flipping is not for everyone. If you panic when drywall dust touches your shirt, think ROI stands for really obvious idea, or have zero patience for contractors texting you on my way for 3 weeks straight, then flipping is not your sport. But if you're detail-oriented, love project management, have cash reserves, and can handle stress like a Navy SEAL in traffic, flipping can still work, even in 2025. Alternatives to flipping. Here's the twist. You don't have to flip to build wealth in real estate. House hacking, live in one unit, rent the others. Burst strategy, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Long-term rentals, boring? Yes. Profitable? Also yes. Airbnb or short-term rentals. Depending on local laws, this might cash flow better than a flip. Sometimes the smarter play is to hold instead of flip. Remember, tortoise, not hare, unless you like losing money with style, in which case, flip away. Real stories. Let me give you 2 investor stories from 2025. Investor A bought a fixer-upper in Phoenix, budgeted $40K for renovations, spent $68K, and the profit, $2,000. Basically a summer job flipping drywall instead of burgers. Investor B bought smart in a Midwestern city, kept Reno tight, staged well, and sold in 3 months. Profit, $32K. Not bad, but that's with military-level discipline. The difference? Planning, budgeting, and not falling in love with granite countertops. Closing. Should you flip in 2025? So, is flipping profitable in 2025? Yes, but only for disciplined, experienced investors who know the numbers better than they know their Netflix password. If you're new, consider partnering with a pro or starting with rentals instead. Flipping is like skydiving, thrilling if you know what you're doing, terrifying if you don't pack your parachute. At the end of the day, real estate rewards patience, strategy, and consistency. So before you swing that hammer, swing a calculator first. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real estate truths, and comment below. Would you try flipping in 2025, or are you sticking with rentals? Until next time, happy investing, and may all your flips land right side up.